Hi everyone, Nathan here from Lancer Games. Tonight has been the first gaming evening of 2026 here on the gaming floor at MLG. And what a night of gaming it has been. We have had the final of our Blood Bowl Sevens League, the EYBBL Sevens League, Season 6. We have the Nagaron Sea Drakes, a Dark Elf team, versus the Tyrannoc Tigers, an Elven Union team. It was a very, very close match. We had timed 3-minute turns, a new introduction for the finale, and playoff games moving forward in the league, by the looks of it, which made it a very tense and quick game. So they smashed the final out in an hour with the final score 2-0 to the Tyrannoc Tigers, the Elven Union team. Commiserations to Mark, the Dark Elf player. He's played a great season. He's scored a lot of touchdowns this season, but unfortunately tonight the dice just didn't go his way. And Corey is our Elven Union player, the Tyrannoc Tigers. He hoists the trophy triumphant. Also well deserved. He did beat me in the semi-finals 4-3. So you know, got to get behind him. Mark has previously won the league, I think, twice as well. He's done extremely well in the past. So well played, both of those guys. Had a great evening of gaming and chatting as well in general. And tomorrow night we do it all again. Friday Night Magic here at Mighty Lancer Games starts at 6:30 every Friday. This week we've got a just casual commander night. Next week we're straight into the new Action with Lorwyn set for pre-release and a draft the following week after that. We've had 40k gaming, we've had RPG sessions, we've had some Necromunda and other skirmish games getting played this evening, as well as people just getting together to talk about the hobby, which has been really cool, as well as more Blood Bowl action and what have you. So looking forward to another great night of gaming tomorrow as well. And then moving forward in the next week or two, on the 18th of January, we have the EYBBL Winter Cup. It is, I was going to say Summer Cup, but it isn't. It's the Winter Cup. EYBBL Winter Cup, which is a sevens tournament on the Sunday. It's £10 to enter. Plenty of space available for extra entrants, which is always a great game of gaming. 3 or 4 games throughout the day. I think it's four games to play generally. And yeah, £10. You get to come, bring your sevens team. There will be trophies, certificates for the winners. We've got some spot prizes as well. It's always great fun. We tend to do 4 cup events a year. So the Spring Cup will be Snotling Cup, Snotling event. Everyone plays with half a box of Snotlings, basically. So you get a pump wagon and a whole array of Snotling players. We have the Summer Cup, which is a regular sevens tournament. We have the Autumn Cup, which is generally a Halloween-y themed spooky event with some extra rules. We have zombies that erupt out of the pitch and stuff in part of the special rules for that. And then we have the Winter Cup, which is again a standard kind of event. So that's coming up in the next couple of weeks, as well as a charity Pokemon GLC event, Gym Leader Challenge event. That's I believe that might even be on the same day. That's coming up as well, where you'll pay your entry with cans of food, which will then donate to a local food bank for charity. And then well-deserved local charity, the Hinge Centre, we collect will be collecting all sorts of stuff then over the course of the year, because Mighty Lancer Games is 10. We are 10 years old as a business this month, which is yesterday, in fact, which is absolutely fantastic achievement. Extremely proud to reach sort of a major milestone in the life of Mighty Lancer Games. So we're 10, and we're going to be celebrating all year that we're still around and still thriving after 10 years in business. So that's pretty awesome. Very very proud. I don't think it's really kind of hit me yet. I'm obviously proud to have propelled the business to the point that we're at. But I don't know. It's just it's a little bit. I don't know. Gets a bit like choky when you think how well we've done over the last few years. It's pretty awesome. We're in a great building. We're in a fantastic location in the middle of town. It's a little bit of a shame that half of our player base are fish in the North Sea, but we can't transplant the store into a more city location in terms of the volume of players that some stores get access to. But we have got a fantastic community here in Bridlington and the surrounding areas. You know, we've got regular players that travel sort of 20 odd miles to get into store to come and play some games. So it's obviously good that we've built up a reputation for being nice people. And that's rewarded with some of the things like the WPN. We're a WPN premium store, which means that they recognise we deliver a better play experience, which is fantastic. You know, that one chuffed to bits about what we have achieved here at Mighty Lancer Games. It would be nice to be able to get a little bit more organised play going on, I think, for some game systems, but we're going to work on that over the coming year. I've spoken to a couple of people just this evening about how we might be able to run some different kind of events, and we're going to try and do as much and raise as much money for the Hinge Centre over the course of the year as we can, because they're an absolutely fantastic local charity. They do loads for the community, and we want to get behind them as much as we can. So that's our goal, as well as building up Mighty Lancer Games another couple of notches in terms of like how well we do things. We've been making improvements to some of the ways that we package products. So like our comics, we've started over the last year or two selling comics, and we always bag them. We always like to protect them. It's nothing worse than going into a shop and picking a comic that loads of people leaf through, and it's like torn and the corners are bent and what have you. So we've always bagged them on the shelf, and now we've started boarding them as well. And we're just introducing a system to make sure that we don't get any errors in terms of picking, or try and reduce that as much as possible, because some comics have multiple cover variants and what have you. So we're trying to improve these things all the time. Little things that we can do better that make customers' experience better, and will make Mighty Lancer Games better, just overall, hopefully, both in respect from the gaming community in the UK and worldwide, because we have customers all over the world, but also that, you know, make things functionally better so we can do a better job for you, Lucas. This is a little bit of a waffle, but that's just the way it is. So, a fantastic evening's gaming. It's late now. It's nearly midnight, so I'm going to go home and get some sleep before I come back and do it all again tomorrow. Evening gaming again tomorrow night. We've got a busy day ahead. We've got deliveries to unpack still from things that have arrived and what have you. It's been a little while since I've done any kind of update, and I've rambled all over. But there we go. Loads of stuff happening. Loads of stuff coming up. Keeping in touch on the YouTube and the Facebook and all of the different social media outlets for all the latest updates with Mighty Lancer Games. And I hope to see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.